Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you to all my wonderful subscribers, and if you're new to my channel, you're welcome. So in today's video I'm going to be showing you how I made this easy to put together yet a delicious and yummy yam pottage or porridge, whichever one you want to call it. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and please don't forget to give me a thumbs up. It's very important. So for this recipe you will need, of course, the yam, paprika, curry, aromat, salt, onion, Scotch bonnet peppers, fresh tomatoes, red bell pepper, crayfish, scent leaves, fresh vegetables, palm oil, and roasted chicken. You can use roasted turkey as well, or you can use smoked mackerel, whichever one you want to use. So the first thing I do is I start off by washing and cutting all my vegetables, just like you are seeing right now. So this is what they look like after I'm done cutting and slicing them, and I will move over to shredding the roasted chicken. Like I said before, you can use turkey or smoked mackerel or even fresh mackerel if you want, but I prefer roasted chicken, and this is soft chicken as well. So after that I will now cut and peel the yam just like you are seeing. And when I'm done cutting the yam, I'll put it in the water. I don't know, for some reason this is how I cut my yam. After cutting, I put it in a clean water and just leave it there. So you can choose to cut the yam either into bigger sizes or smaller sizes, but I think the smaller the better. Now in a pot, add some of the palm oil into the pot. About a cooking spoon of the palm oil is enough. You don't need to add too much oil to this recipe. Allow the oil to heat up and then add the chopped onions, fresh peppers, and the fresh tomatoes. Then stir that a little bit and begin to add all your seasonings. A teaspoon of the aromat, half a teaspoon of salt. You can add more salt if you want, depending on your taste. And then I added 1 out of the 2 inside the Knorr cube. After that I added some curry powder, and I added a teaspoon of the curry powder. Then I added a teaspoon of paprika as well. Stir that up and add some water. Just, you don't need to add too much water, just about the same level as the sauce. Now after adding the water, stir that and begin to add the yam and mix everything together so that they are well combined. Now add the shredded roasted chicken. Add the crayfish. I already washed the crayfish. Now you can choose to blend the crayfish or grind it however you want, but I always like to add it the way it is. Now cover the pot and allow it to cook for 5 minutes. And while the yam is cooking, I'm going to go ahead and slice the vegetable. In my last vlog I told you guys that I don't know the name of this vegetable, but I later found the name, so I think it's called frarel. I don't know if I pronounced it well, but I will leave it on the screen so you can see the spelling. So moving over to the yam, after 5 minutes of cooking, I will now add the scent leaves. If you don't have scent leaves, you don't have to do this step, but if you have scent leaves and you've not tried it in your yam porridge, I think you should give it a try. It takes the taste to another whole new level. You need to try it. So after adding the scent leaves, cover the pot again and allow the yam to cook evenly to become very soft. Now if you think that the water is drying up, you can go ahead and add just a tiny bit of water, not too much. Now once you notice that the yam is soft, as you saw me tasted it and it is now soft to my liking, add your fresh vegetables. You can use frozen spinach if you don't have this type of vegetable, and cover the pot, allow it to cook for 1 minute, nothing more than 1 minute, and your yam is ready. Just stir everything together, mix it up and serve. Enjoy while it is still hot. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Like, you need to give this recipe a try. It is so yummy and so delicious. Thank you all for watching. I will see you all in my next video.